Good morning, students. We are back as we were discussing on the last video about the chapter 6 of English literature, that is the village school. And we discussed that there were three girls, Tabassum, Taranum, and Rubina. And these girls were trying to educate the children of their village, right? But they were facing lot of challenges because the parents were not agreed, the education system was not good there, right? So they were facing lot of challenges, but how they will educate the children, that we will discuss here, right? So see, we are on page number 67 right now, on the last second paragraph. Okay, so we'll start from here. See, the paragraph says, but the trio had a plan. Trio means the group having three person, and here the three persons who are the three person in this group? The three persons were the girls. Who? Tabassum, Taranum, and Rubina. Okay, so any group where three persons are there, it will be known as trio, and if four are there, squad, right? I think you know this, है ना? See, but the trio had a plan. They were not ready to let go of their dream of educating the girls in their village. They started a small tailoring training center at their school so that the families would let their daughters come there. So, see here, the three girls, the trio had a dream of educating the girls of that village, है ना? And so, as we discussed, that the parents were not ready to send their children or their girls to the school or to get education. So for that they had an idea कि अगर हम एक अपने एजुकेशन सेंटर को, अगर हमें टेलरिंग सेंटर मतलब जो सिलाई करने की मशीन होती है, जो अगर सिलाई के लिए बुलाएंगे, तो मे बी देयर पेरेंट्स विल एग्री टू सेंड देयर गर्ल्स, है ना? so इससे क्या होगा, वो सिलाई भी सीखेंगे और साथ साथ सिलाई करवाते करवाते they will educate also. Who? That the three girls will educate the girls, है ना? Girls of the village. So see, when the girls came to learn tailoring, we started teaching them as well. तो यहाँ पे क्या, जैसे कि बोलते हैं ना, एक तीर से दो निशाना, वो उन्होंने ऐसा प्लान किया कि हम उनको टेलर भी सिलाई करना भी सिखा देंगे और एजुकेशन तो दे देंगे साथ साथ. Many parents got angry and asked us why we were teaching them when they had been sent to learn tailoring. We would tell them that tailoring requires some measurements and calculations, and a basic education is necessary for that. Tabassum says. So obviously now parents got to know कि जो girls हैं वो सिलाई के बहाने उनको पढ़ाने के लिए भी बुला रहे हैं. So what they have done, they told the parents for the tailoring the basic measurement needed, है ना? The centimeter, meter, how many meters of cloth will be required or how many centimeter will be required. So what that, knowing the measurement, basic knowledge is required. So somehow parents agree, है ना? Now see on the next page. See, their efforts led to the transformation of the village. When they first started their school in 2007, only 2 or 3 people in the village were educated. Now, 90% of the children, including girls, go to school. So see, in the picture you can see in the picture you can see that the girls were tailoring. Okay, they are tailoring the clothes, as well as they are getting the education also, who is sitting on the floor, right? So see here in this paragraph it is saying, after their lot of efforts, transformation of the village was there. Meaning of transformation means changes, कुछ change आने लगी. कैसे change आने लगी? See, when they started the school in the early 2007, only 2 or 3 girls were coming, है ना? But now what is the condition, that 90% of the village, right, 90% of the total children are educated in the village including girls also. So it's a huge accomplishment. ये काफ़ी बड़ा चैलेंज उन्होंने एक्सेप्ट किया था, राइट. सी द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. The greatest triumph for the girls came when not just the children but their mothers too began to show an interest in education. There are several women in the village now who no longer use their thumb impressions as signature but can sign their own names. Means, see, the greatest trump means it is the greatest success or the achievement of that three girls who started this mission. What mission? That they will educate the children of their village. But not only now the children are educated, their mother are also educated. It's a huge success. And moreover that now the especially the women of that village don't use a thumb impressions, मतलब अंगूठा नहीं लगाते हैं. Now they use their signatures, है ना, which is a very good accomplishment. See next paragraph. But all this was not easy. We faced many challenges. The people of the village would shout at us and say that we were a bad influence on their girls. It was humiliating. We would go home and cry, but it was our parents' support that keep us going. Without them, we wouldn't have achieved anything, says Tabassum. Means Tabassum is now, saying that this whole mission was not so much easy. They faced many problems, many challenges फ्रॉम द विलेज साइड, है ना. वो लोग एग्री नहीं करते थे, काफ़ी चिल्लाते थे, शाउट करते थे, बट स्टिल दे वेयर नॉट बैकिंग अप. वो पीछे नहीं हट रहे थे, वो सबको फेस कर रहे थे. वाई? बिकॉज देयर पेरेंट्स, गर्ल्स पेरेंट्स सपोर्टेड देम, राइट. There was even a time when the people of the village asked them to leave the public space where they ran their school. So they started teaching from their own homes. मतलब एक ऐसा टाइम भी आ गया था जब विलेजर्स ने ये कह दिया जो पब्लिक स्पेस उसको खाली कर दो. वाई? बिकॉज विलेज वाले नहीं चाहते थे कि उनकी जो बच्चों को वो पढ़ाएं. सो इवन उन्होंने हार नहीं मानी, तीन गर्ल्स ने, तबस्सुम, तारानुम एंड रुबीना, बिकॉज उनको लड़कियों को पढ़ाना था. सो व्हाट दे हैव डन, दे इवन स्टार्टेड टीचिंग फ्रॉम देयर ओन होम. अपने खुद के घर से पढ़ाना शुरू कर दिया. नाउ सी, इट यूज्ड टू हर्ट अस when people said that we wouldn't be able to do anything just because we were girls. But we have proved everyone wrong, she says. Today, the people who used to mock them are coming forward to support them as they see a positive change in the village. Even Tabassum also said this कि जो लोग उन्हें ये तक बोले कि तुम लड़कियां हो, कुछ नहीं कर सकते, now they are coming forward. अब वो खुद सामने आके हमें हेल्प करते हैं, because now they are seeing the changes. The power of education is now seen, है ना, because a power of education can do anything, can change the world, right. Now see the next page. The people of the village even arranged for electricity so that the fans and lights would work in the school. Now see the changes. Earlier, the parents were not even agree to send the children. They are mocking up the girls. Now they are providing the facilities, like electricity, fan. है ना? See, we can't give the children degrees. So we give them a good education and help them connect them to good schools, says Tabassum. मीन्स तबस्सुम इज सेइंग नाउ कि वो डिग्री तो प्रोवाइड नहीं हो सकती, बट एटलीस्ट दे आर गिविंग देम गुड एजुकेशन कि वो आगे किसी स्कूल में कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो सकी, राइट. सी द ट्रायो हैज़ मैनेज टू वर्क सक्सेसफुली विथ ओवर 250 चिल्ड्रेन सो फार एंड दे कंटिन्यू टू गेट मोर एडमिशंस एवरी ईयर. सी नाउ देयर द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इंक्रीज टू 250 and still the admissions are coming. Along with teaching, the girls are now completing their college education. they are studying information technology. Means after studying from this school, they are even going forward with the colleges, है ना, and they are studying in information technology. Means they are reading the technology world, which is a huge success for the girls. We would just like to say this to everyone: please let your daughters and sons study and do whatever you can for your village, as people there need you. Concludes Tabassum. So, see, the Tabassum is saying that, it a good message that educate everyone near you, support your near ones, so that they can do whatever they want to do in their life. Never stop them. Okay, I hope you understood this chapter, and I would like to this and I would like to thanks to the students, those who have commented on my last video. That was so sweet of you. Thank you.